You are watching Motion Words. Please like and subscribe for more. We are going to elaborate quantum physics and the soul, science meets spirituality, introduction. Throughout history, humans have pondered the nature of the soul and its connection to the universe. In modern times, quantum physics has introduced mind-bending theories that challenge our understanding of reality itself. Could science and spirituality be intertwined? Are there hidden realms beyond what we perceive? This video seeks to bridge quantum mechanics and Islamic perspectives on the soul, consciousness, and existence. The mysteries of consciousness. One of the most profound questions in philosophy and science is, what is consciousness? From a scientific standpoint, consciousness arises from neural networks in the brain. However, quantum mechanics challenges the traditional view of reality by suggesting that observation plays a fundamental role in shaping existence. In Islam, consciousness is not merely a product of the brain, it is deeply connected to the soul, Ruh, a divine entity gifted by Allah. Physicists like Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff have suggested the orchestrated objective reduction, OR, theory, which posits that consciousness arises from quantum processes within brain microtubules. If true, this could mean our thoughts exist in a non-material realm, hinting at the soul's transcendence beyond the physical body. Wave-particle duality and free will. In quantum mechanics, particles like electrons exhibit both wave-like and particle-like behavior depending on whether they are observed. This phenomenon, known as wave-particle duality, suggests that reality is shaped by observation itself. Could this have implications for free will and the soul's existence? Islamic teachings emphasize that the soul is separate from the physical body and continues to exist beyond death. If observation affects reality at a quantum level, could human consciousness influence the trajectory of reality itself? Some interpretations propose that our choices impact our spiritual energy, aligning with Islamic notions of qadar, divine destiny, and free will. Quantum entanglement and the soul's connection. Quantum entanglement occurs when two particles become interconnected, such that changing one instantaneously affects the other, even if they are separated by vast distances. This challenges classical notions of space and time, hinting at a deeper interconnected reality. In Islamic teachings, the soul is often described as an unseen force that connects humans to the divine. The Quran mentions concepts such as barzakh, an intermediate realm between life and the afterlife. Some scholars suggest that just as entangled particles transcend space-time constraints, the soul may similarly exist across different dimensions, influencing reality beyond human perception. Simulation theory, and divine creation. Another fascinating quantum-related concept is simulation theory, the idea that our reality could be a programmed construct. Some physicists and philosophers, including Nick Bostrom, argue that advanced civilizations could potentially create simulated universes, leading to the possibility that our world is merely a sophisticated illusion. In Islamic theology, the idea that the universe is designed by a higher intelligence is a foundational belief. The Quran describes Allah as Al-Khaliq, the Creator, highlighting the idea that existence follows divine laws and order. Could simulation theory align with the notion that reality is a manifestation of Allah's will? The Quran states, "And we have certainly created man, and we know what his soul whispers to him, and we are closer to him than his jugular vein." Quran 50:16. This suggests an intimate connection between the divine and human existence. If the universe operates as a grand design, then quantum physics might be revealing glimpses of divine creation. Consciousness beyond death. One of the biggest scientific and spiritual mysteries is what happens after death. Quantum physics offers intriguing possibilities. Some scientists propose the quantum immortality theory, which suggests that consciousness never ceases but continues to exist in alternative realities. Islamic teachings describe the soul's journey after death, transitioning into Barzakh, followed by the Day of Judgment, and eternal existence. If quantum theories suggest that reality itself is non-linear, could this support the idea that the soul transcends physical limitations? Conclusion? Quantum physics and spirituality are often seen as separate fields, yet their intersections reveal profound connections. Concepts such as wave-particle duality, entanglement, and simulation theory open doorways to discussions about consciousness, the soul, and divine reality. Islam provides a deeply spiritual perspective on existence that aligns with the mysteries science continues to explore. In the end, perhaps both science and spirituality are different lenses, through which we attempt to understand the truth. Whether through physics or faith, our search for meaning continues. Thanks for watching Motion Words.